Here's some independent filmmaking trivia. Subscribe. What 1999 film was directed by the Wachowskis? Is it A, Star Wars, B, Fight Club, C, Bicentennial Man, or D, The Matrix? The correct answer is D, The Matrix. Who directed the 2010 film Tiny Furniture? Is it A, Richard Linklater, B, Greta Gerwig, C, Wes Anderson, or D, Lena Dunham? The correct answer is D, Lena Dunham. What 1992 film featured an early appearance by Jennifer Aniston? Is it A, Friends, B, The Cutting Edge, C, 1995, or D, Leprechaun? The correct answer is D, Leprechaun. What 2008 indie film features a character named Frances? Is it A, Juno, B, Frances Ha, C, Little Miss Sunshine, or D, Garden State? The correct answer is B, Frances Ha. Who directed the critically acclaimed film Lady Bird? Is it A, Greta Scacchi, B, Ava DuVernay, C, Noah Baumbach, or D, Greta Gerwig? The correct answer is D, Greta Gerwig. Which independent film focuses on the story of a boxer? Is it A, The Wrestler, B, Creed, C, Rocky, or D, $1 Million Baby? The correct answer is A, The Wrestler. Who is known for the experimental film Dog Star Man? Is it A, Jean-Luc Godard, B, Stan Brakhage, C, Maya Deren, or D, Andy Warhol? The correct answer is B, Stan Brakhage. Who directed the acclaimed Frida in 2002? Is it A, Steven Soderbergh, B, Catherine Hardwicke, C, Julie Taymor, or D, Sofia Coppola? The correct answer is C, Julie Taymor. What 1984 film starred a young, pre-stardom Johnny Depp? Is it A, A Nightmare on Elm Street, B, Ghostbusters, C, Footloose, or D, The Breakfast Club? The correct answer is A, A Nightmare on Elm Street. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.